Hello dear friends, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the different snacks I give to my chicken for quality meat and quality eggs. Sit down, relax and enjoy the video. Watch till the end and I'm sure you'll find this video very productive, informative and educative. Thank you. The number one snack I give to my birds are greens. These are different kinds, different varieties, and different species. Most of them are wild, and some of them we are used to them or we are familiar with them and we eat them ourselves in our homes. But where I come from, most of the greens I'm going to be sharing in this video actually grow on their own. Yes, that is the beauty of the place where I'm raising my birds from. Most of these greens grow on their own, so I don't get to plant them. I just go wherever they have grown, I pluck, come, cut, give to my birds, or just hang them and then they'll enjoy them on their own. I'll be doing a detailed video discussing each herb and what its benefits are, the name and its botanical name. Kindly stay tuned and I'm sure you will love and learn from the video. Generally, these herbs work as food, like feed. It's a feed supplement. They also work as medicine because they have medicinal properties, and they also help in enriching the quality of eggs and the quality of the meat. If you're giving your birds greens, they really produce a very nice yellow yolk. And some of these greens are special. I'll be discussing with you those special greens that you need to have around your chickens, and you will have the best eggs and meat.
I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me. I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party.
Did you know that your birds can as well enjoy fruits? And these fruits will work as a feed supplement, work as antibiotics, work as antiviral, and also boost the production of your birds. Well, this is my second snack that I give to my birds. Stay tuned for a detailed video on how I give my birds fruit and the different benefits they get from each and every fruit. These are some of the fruits I give my birds.
Seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to when you know what we shouldn't do?
The third snack I give to my birds are juices. Yes, I make juices for my birds. These juices are the game changer, I'm telling you, because the medicinal properties, the quality of the eggs they boost. Ooh, this is really amazing. And my birds love them, as you can see in the video. Every time I bring in water mixed with something, they'll drink a lot of water. And we all know that the more the water, the more the eggs. So I'll be doing a detailed video explaining to you what these juices come from, their benefits, and how I prepare them.
Even though that I want you, why don't we go figure it? Yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah.
One more of the snacks I give to my birds are banana parts. So my birds get to enjoy actually all the banana parts, be it the stem, the peelings, the banana itself, the banana flour, and I'm going to be doing a detailed video of all these things and how I prepare them. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on all this, and you'll be able to save money on medicine, feed, and your birds are going to love it. And once the birds love it, the production will go high as well.
Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay.
Next are the fresh and dry grains, and most of you may pose questions such as, are birds supposed to eat this? Can birds eat this? Well, just stay tuned and I'm going to be doing for you a detailed video explaining all this and how I prepare these seeds for my birds. They really love them and they take my production to the clouds, and they also help me save on the feed.
Difficult to see. Whatever happens is meant to be. Then you'll ask me what is wrong, and I don't even know how to answer. It's time to put an end to our chapter. Why do you keep on trying to when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want ya, why don't we go figure it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. Nothing here will be the same again, 'cause I know this pain, I'm better off alone. Know that all I ever wanted to was to see you smile. Why don't we go figure it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure.
Last and not the least, which means we have a lot more snacks that we give to our birds, is the free range system, which has the vegetation, the soil, the stones, the worms, and a lot more. This is what I call value addition. For those who have watched my videos before, you know this is how I love to call it, and it is amazing. Because with this, the eggs are of a very high quality and the meat is top notch. If you've watched up to this point, I really appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my future uploads. Don't forget to like the video, leave me a comment and tell me what you think or ask me any questions. Thank you very much. May God bless you. We meet in the next one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.